A lot of these Wurkkos flashlights are uh, compatible with each other as far as swapping around pieces of them. Um, it's fun just to play with some of these, the Sofirns and the Wurkkos flashlights. Uh, a lot of the bodies are compatible. They've got the same thread patterns with them, so you can swap out parts. Um, Currently, my favorite little flashlight now is a combination of this. It's the, let me get it to focus here, the FC13S, and it's mixed with the TS11 flashlight. I took the body off of this one and made it a long tube so it'll work with 18650 batteries. I also have the extended tube, but these still work fine together. And this one I just love, for some reason, the look of it with that FC13S head on it. It's got a gold ring with it, so it matches really good with the standard short body that goes with this TS11 on it. Just the look and feel of it, a little short light. Works with the 18350 batteries, and everything still works fine with them. Turbo works just great, and it lasts just as long on turbo with the smaller batteries it does with the larger 18650 battery. It's just going to have a limited run time. It's just a little shorter on how long it'll run total, but the brightness is the same between the two. With this, it still works fine, just like it would with the standard body. But just wondering what some of your favorite combos of some of these flashlights that you've sort of hodgepodge together, mix the two, and work. If you put in the comments what you're liking to play with now as far as mixing them. Some of the other things you can do, like this is the only light of these three that has a magnetic tail cap. So even though it's a Sofirn light, if you remove it, pop it off and take the one off the Wurkkos, and you can turn this into a light that'll still work together, work fine, but now it has a magnetic tail cap with it. So just for me, the color schemes and the short little fit in the hand, I sort of like this one right now is one I keep in my pocket a lot and carry around. But just please comment on some of the lights that you've mixed together and what's your current favorite. So thanks for watching.